Do not throw away the old paintbrushes again. Follow these simple steps and learn how you can reuse them. First, take the brush and remove the screw. Then, take a plastic bottle and remove the cap. With the help of a cutter, make small triangles on the cap and then drill a hole in the center. Repeat this process with other caps. Place one of the caps on the handle of the brush and secure it with a screw using a screwdriver. Continue with another cap and repeat the same process. Turn the handle over and repeat the procedure with the other caps. Now take a fish. With the tool we have made, you can remove the scales. Thanks to the tip-shaped caps, you can carry out this process in record time and without excessive effort. Reusing the old brushes for this technique is not only practical, but also environmentally friendly. By giving them a second life by creating adapted tools, you are contributing to the reduction of waste and, at the same time, optimizing the use of available materials. This ingenious approach not only benefits your painting practice, but also demonstrates improvised creativity and manufacturing skills. The technique of using plastic caps as tips for brushes not only improves the functionality of existing tools, but also shows how reuse can be an effective solution for everyday problems.